If you're trying to find an old X account, whether you remember part of the login or you've completely forgotten it, this video will walk you through the fastest ways to get back in. I'll show you how to try a direct login, recover forgotten credentials, check your browser's saved passwords, and contact X support if you're fully locked out. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. On the home page, look for the Login option at the bottom of the screen and click it. Now, this is where you want to try any information you may still remember from the old account. Enter the username without the @ symbol, or try the email address or the phone number that may have been connected to that account. Then enter the password if you know it. If the password is correct and the account was only deactivated within the last 30 days, X may prompt you to confirm that you want to reactivate it. That means the account is still recoverable through a normal login. If that happens, just follow the prompts on screen and complete the reactivation. Now, if you do not remember the password or you're not even sure which username you used, don't worry. Go back to the login screen and use the recovery options. Enter the email address or phone number you think was linked to the old account. X will usually send a confirmation code to that email inbox, or by SMS depending on which recovery method is available. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification screen and follow the prompts to reset your password. After you create a new password, you should be able to log in again using the updated credentials. This is one of the most common ways people recover an old X account when they've forgotten the original login details. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your browser's password manager. If you ever signed in on that device before, your browser may have saved the login information for you. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go into Settings. From there, look for the Passwords section, or sometimes autofill depending on the browser version. Use the search bar and type in Twitter or X. You may be asked to enter your PIN, password, or device lock before you can view saved credentials. Once you're in, click the eye icon to reveal the saved username and password. This can be incredibly helpful if you've completely forgotten which email or username was connected to the account. If you still cannot access the account because you no longer have the old email address, phone number, or password, then your last option is to contact X support directly. Go to the X Help Center and look for Account Access Recovery options. If you are fully locked out, open the X Regain Access Support form. In that form, choose the option that says you need to regain access to your X account. Then explain the problem clearly, such as forgetting the password, and no longer having access to the linked email or phone number. Make sure you enter the username of the account you're trying to recover and provide a new active email address so support can contact you. The key here is to be as accurate as possible with the details you provide. The more information you can remember about the old account, the better your chances of getting access back. So, to recap, start by trying to log in directly on x.com, then use password reset if you forgot your credentials, check your browser's saved passwords, and if needed, submit the official support form for account recovery. If this video helped you find your old X account, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.